Hey guys, and welcome to Live Russian Learning Tips. Today I'm gonna be talking about memorizing the words. What happens when we learn a language is that we learn new words, we frequent new words, but do we really learn them? I mean, are we able to use them in our daily speech? Are we able to extract them from our memory? Because the words that enter our mind, they take some place maybe in our passive vocabulary, but not in our active vocabulary. So how to make the words we learn work and participate in our conversation in our target language. I will give you my way of doing it. I'm not sure I invented this way, but it surely works. I call it 5 times thing, like 5 times usage. What you need to do is to use the word let's say the new word. What you need to do is to use it 5 times in your active speech. What do I mean by this? I don't mean coming up with sentences, with this new word. I mean using it in your real life. For example, not so long time ago, I learned a new word for me because I'm still improving my English, improving my French, and the word was atrocious. So, somebody on hellotalk wrote me this word. I saw it, I didn't know it, and first thing I did, I translated it. And I like to translate new words using reverse context because this dictionary gives you words in usage. You can see a lot of translations and you can see a lot of examples in context from books and all. This is a nice dictionary. So first I looked up the translation. The second thing I did was using it immediately, immediately with the same person. I was like, sorry for my atrocious English, but the word atrocious was new for me. For example. Then I would go talk, by the way, if you want to use a word in a real conversation, you need somebody, a person to talk to. Even if you don't know this person, go on hellotalk, go on Tandem or High Native, anywhere, and just use the word in simple dialogue. You can make it funny. For example, when I said, I'm sorry for my atrocious English, but the word atrocious was new for me. This was, it sounded funny, and I remembered it myself. The situation was funny, and I would do it 5 times. Then I would go talk to another person. Then I would use any chance, for example, go on my YouTube channel, see some comment, and respond to the comment with the word atrocious. For example, your Russian is not atrocious at all, or I don't know, these shoes are atrocious, anything. Then I would explore this word. I would find words that look the same way, atrociously. For example, sorry, but I'm speaking atrociously. My accent is atrocious. Like this. I'm sure you know too the word atrocious now, and you can do it with any language. Of course, you can do it with the Russian language, and I hope that this short, quick tip will help you to improve memorizing your words in Russian. See you!